Do you want to sell your house or just list it? There is a difference. Housemaster Home Inspections wants to help you sell your home faster and for more money. It's true. Sell your home for more money and with less hassle. Let me explain. For example, how do you distinguish your home from the other homes in your market? Listing your home as a certified pre-inspected home will set your home apart from the rest. In the automotive industry, certified pre-owned vehicles sell for more and have been checked out thoroughly by mechanics. So why not have your house certified? Why let the buyer's inspector ruin your deal? It's much smarter to know about these things, have them repaired, or get professional estimates for the needed repairs before your buyers arrive. This will reduce the surprises that can happen after you thought you had a done deal. This allows you to reduce the renegotiations that could otherwise occur, which will reduce the buyer's leverage, and in turn, the offer to purchase turns into a no-hassle sale. So, where's the downside? Well, there isn't one. Give us a call today at the number below or visit our website to schedule your certified pre-listing inspection. Let us help you sell your home faster and for more money. Did I mention we include a 5-year roof protection plan? And if you respond to the email after your inspection, you can also purchase an 18-month warranty. Get a report that you can be proud to put on your table, that realtors and buyers alike will trust. We want to help you and your realtor be successful. Give us a call and book your certified pre-listing inspection today.